Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first visit, welcome. And if you've been following our journey, thank you. We truly appreciate your support. We started the day riding the beautiful Cherohala Skyway from Robbinsville, North Carolina to Tellico Plains, Tennessee. The mountain views, winding roads, and peaceful scenery made for an incredible ride. Day 3 of our motorcycle road trip turned out to be one we won't soon forget. When we arrived in Tellico Plains, we stopped at the Harley-Davidson shop. Throughout the ride, we had been hearing a sound from our motorcycle that just didn't seem right. We were hoping the Harley shop could take a look, but we quickly discovered it was only a gift shop, not a service dealership. Thankfully, one of the employees pointed us to Smoky Mountain Harley-Davidson in Maryville, Tennessee, a full-service dealership about 42 miles away. The closest dealership back towards Robbinsville was nearly 3 hours away, so continuing to Maryville was the best option. ride to Maryville along Tennessee 360 North and US 411 North was beautiful, but we couldn't completely relax because we weren't sure what was causing the noise. When we arrived, the service department inspected the motorcycle. After a few hours, we got the news. The repair couldn't be completed until the next day. That left us with a new challenge. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the ride.